how to set a blank WhatsApp status. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you set a blank WhatsApp status on your device. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open WhatsApp on your device. Alright, so after you open the WhatsApp with your account, you'll got such interface. And now from here, you'll have to just swipe right from here to add an status. Alright, so now from the top, you'll have to just tap on this plus icon to add a status. Alright, so simply you have to go with the option text. Alright, so from here you'll have to just add a once letter from here. So WhatsApp didn't allow to set a blank WhatsApp status. So from here you must have to add a one letter from here. So you can as usual add a dot here. Okay, so simply after you add a dot from here, you have to just tap on this send icon. And now you are done. So simply you can view it from here. And as you can see, this is the process to set up blank WhatsApp status. So this is the process. If you find this video helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. See you on next one.